Hello everyone, I am Tana Rathi and I am from KB Sundarabani. Students learn sounds before words and sentences. To aid their learning, we have some activities related to sounds of English alphabets. Today I am presenting the video on sound of E letters. Let's start the activity. In this activity, I will show you silent E words. We have some words on the flashcards. One by one, the student will be asked to come and read the word written on the card like M-A-D, mad. Then the student will pick the card with letter E and join it with mad and read the word again as M-A-D-E, made. In this way, the activity will be continued like T-A-P, tap. And then the student will join the letter E and it will become T-A-P-E, tape. Next word is K-I-T, kit. And after joining E, it will become K-I-T-E, kite.